Welcome to our guide on how to add a location to your Facebook story using your device. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your device and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on Create Story or the camera icon located at the top of your feed to begin creating your story. Step 3. Capture a new photo or video using your device's camera, or choose an existing photo or video from your camera roll to feature in your story. Step 4. Tap on the sticker icon positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Step 5. Select the location sticker from the sticker tray displayed on the screen. Step 6. Search for and choose the specific location you want to tag in your story. Step 7. You have the option to adjust the location sticker by moving, resizing, or changing its style on your story. Step 8. Once you are satisfied with the placement of the location sticker, tap Share to post your story with the tagged location. By following these steps, you can easily share your whereabouts and add context to your Facebook story by including a location tag. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you on how to add a location to your Facebook story using your device. Enhance your storytelling experience by incorporating location tags